Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 2 Presentation Assembly. It's our Spring Presentation Assembly and it's Friday, the 1st of April 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in Year 2 who have been amazing throughout this spring term and earned themselves presentation certificates. So really well done to all those children. We can start off though this morning with the top 3 house points in each class, in Miss Begum and Miss Hall's class. You can see the amazing number of house points that children have been earning throughout this term. So we've got Scarlett on 33, we've got Sophie on 34, we've got Eliza just down the lead on 35 and Miss Begum. So well done you three, have a little stand up and a little round of applause for you. Well done. And in Miss Hall's we've got Tudor on 54, we've got Emily on 56 and then Scarlett just down the lead again on 63. So well done you three as well. Stand up, let's give you a big cheer in class. So brilliant effort guys, lots and lots of merits, lots and lots of house points. Keep it up over the summer terms and see if you can remain in the top 3 throughout the year and right to the end of the year. So well done you 6, you superstars, fantastic effort. Moving on to our certificates, and we've got our phonics stars. Look at these phonics stars. We've got Adama, we've got Lexi, we've got Maxwell, and we've got Scarlett. Look at you guys working so hard on your phonics throughout this term, making huge progress as well. So really well done on earning your phonics certificates. Enjoy taking those home with you at the end of today, you superstars. Next, we have our reading stars. Look at these guys with their reading books. So we've got Scarlett, we've got Mantadas, we've got Caden, we've got Beatrix. Well done, guys. Lots and lots of reading. I know some of you reading twice a day. Also, you'll be getting a reading book to take home with you as well. So you better carry that on over Easter and keep up that reading over Easter with your new reading book that you take home with your certificate today. So congratulations. And to our math stars, look at these mathematicians, look at these with their numbers as well. So we've got Rayleigh, we've got Crystal, we've got Henry, and we've got Noah, who've earned themselves their math certificates for the spring term. These guys have been working so hard in all their maths mastery lessons throughout the spring term. So really well done you four. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Our geography stars, look, the geography topic this term as well. So well done to Woody, Sophie, Olivia and Logan, working so hard on geography. Really well done, guys. Very impressed with Mr. Allen. So great work throughout. Keep it up, you geography stars, and enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Well done. Our scientists, look at these scientists, these budding scientists. Look at those smiling faces. It just makes me smile. So we've got Jack, we've got Isla, we've got Monica, and we've got Bartos. Well done, you scientists. Look, Bartos. Hey, looking out for a certificate, Bartos? Well, it's winging its way to you, buddy. Enjoy taking it home with you today. Huge congratulations to all 4 of you working so hard on your science throughout this term. Well done. And our PE stars, look at these guys being super fit. Wowee, look at this. We've got Lily, we've got Mimi, we've got Eliza, and we've got Denelius. Look, being super fit in your PE, your games lesson, and that's at break and lunch times as well, guys. So really well done. Enjoy taking your PE certificates home with you today, you superstars. And we also have look at Miss Hall's PE. We're back in with Miss Hall's PE stars as well. So we've got Teddy, we've got Penny, we've got Mason, and we've got Noah, all being physically active, working so hard in their PE lessons, and just being amazingly physically active at break and lunchtime as well, running about non-stop. So well done, all of you 4. And Miss Hall's geography stars, look at this. Look again around the world. Look at this geography work. So we've got Suleiman, we've got Alita, we've got Mason, and we've got Alex working so hard on their geography. I love that picture there. They're holding up the world. So well done, all of you, on earning your geography star certificate for the spring term. Well done. And Miss Hall's phonics stars, look at these phonics, look at this. These guys are rattling through these phonics books and working so hard on their phonics throughout this term. They're massive big smiles as well. So you've got Toby, we've got Casey May, we've got Scarlett, and we've got Nikita. Scarlett's really making me smile. What an amazing smile there, Scarlett. Well done. And you 4 should be really smiling now because you're going to get your phonics star certificates to take home with you today. So huge congratulations, you superstars. Brilliant work throughout this spring term. Well done. Miss Hall's math stars. Look at these mathematicians, all the maths equipment they've got as well. Hey, so we've got Marcy, we've got Caitlin, we've got Tudor, and we've got Jack working so hard on their maths mastery lessons throughout this term. Really well done. And using all of those manipulatives as well throughout those lessons to help them with their maths. Huge congratulations, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. And look at Miss Hall. Look at these reading stars. Look at them, their heads down in their books. They are the reading stars, and they're going to get a reading book to take home with them as well. So we've got Tudor, we've got Noah, we've got Rebecca, Alexia. Well done, guys, on earning your reading star certificate and taking that home today with your reading books. You'll be able to keep up your reading over the Easter holidays as well. Huge congratulations. Well done. I won't disturb you anymore. I'll move on. We'll move on to our science stars. Look at these guys again. Their science equipment, doing all their science experiments. You've got Anna Maria, you've got Dennis, Adil, and Rebecca. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations on earning your science star certificate. And I know lots and lots of science experiments you've been doing throughout this term. So really well done. Huge congratulations. Again, big smiles on all of your faces. And you should be smiling now as well, because you're going to get your science star certificate home with you today. Congratulations. Really well done. And well done to everyone in year 2. What an amazing term we have had. Thank you everyone for working so hard. Well done to all those children who have earned themselves certificates today as well. As you can see, back to school on Tuesday, the 19th of April, 2022. So after our Easter holiday. Monday, the 18th is a bank holiday. So just for mums and dads now, it's Tuesday, the 19th of April, 2022, when gates will be open at 8:30. Happy Easter, everyone. Have a fantastic holiday, and we'll see you all for the start of the summer term then. Until then, bye-bye now.